been stuck choosing between a spoon and a fork? Yeah, me too. That's why this little guy, the Spork, is a total game changer. You get the stab of a fork and the scoop of a spoon all in one. No more juggling utensils, struggling to wash dishes. Seriously, everyone needs a Spork.
I can't eat it. I'm struggling. Oh my god. What do I do? I can't eat my beans.
Hey, we bring them to get a history called the Spork. I seen you over there having trouble. Try it.
It works really good.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You like it? That's
Amazing.
You can work your heart.